Okay, the sun is setting in my room. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if there's a shadow on my face because I'm recording here in my room. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah. I'm going to my ex-boss's wedding. Well, technically my ex-boss's sister's wedding. So that's the reason why I created this look. I don't know if this looks good or not, but I tried my best. I'm even wearing falsies. I think I'm gonna need to be doing a voiceover because I didn't talk during the recording of me creating this look, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'll try my best. This is my first time recording a makeup video. It's not a tutorial, it's just probably something like a, I can't even say it a get ready with me because I'm not talking in that video, so it's just probably just me creating this look. I'm wearing this very heavy eyelash and this contact lens, and I can't really see properly. I can't really see myself properly. Even in the mirror just now I was like struggling to look at it. Beauty is pain, guys. I'm telling you, beauty is pain. Anyways, I love this look. My highlight is on point. Okay. So I'm gonna go put on my shoes and probably paint my nails. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry in advance because my nails look nasty because I kind of added more purple onto my hair last night because I didn't like how the pink looked like. So the purple kind of got stuck into my nails. I don't know, I'm gonna try to do my nails in like 15 minutes and then call a grab and head over to the wedding. I won't be vlogging in the wedding because I kind of feel like impolite, I guess. I mean, it's my boss's wedding, so I should be like as quiet as possible. I'm just recording the intro now. As you can see guys, I'm already wearing my contact lens. I've already moisturized and added sunblock to my face. So now I'm going in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Matifiant Makeup Primer together with the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Pore Eraser to just prep and prime my face. And now I'm going in with the NUDE ColourStix matte lipstick in the shade Tomato to just color correct my face. As you can see, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and dark spots on my face that I wish to get rid of, so this helps. For foundation, you guys could see that I'll be mixing 3 of my favorite foundations, which is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish in the shade 400 Natural Beige, together with the Rimmel London Match Perfection in the shade 504 Deep Mocha, and finally Maybelline New York Superstay in 334 Warm Sun. I'm mixing all this and adding it onto my face using a brush, just evenly spreading it out before I go in and blend it out with a wet damp sponge. Yeah, you can see me doing that now. Like really quickly, dab, pounce it onto your face. Make sure you press it in that the foundation really sets in. So yeah, my food panda just arrived. I haven't had any breakfast or lunch, so I'm having a quick tiny brunch now with churros. I'm not sponsored by Food Panda. I'm also not sponsored by churros. I'm using this Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Matte Fixing Spray onto my sponge, and using this W7 Catwalk Concealer in the shade Medium to conceal my under eyes, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and also around my chin area. I just do this, guys. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just do this. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline New York's Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 330 TOFFEE to just set all over my face. Now I'm using the Catrice Cosmetics Nude Illusion Loose Powder in Transparent Matte to double bake my face, and also to use it under my eyes to avoid any fallouts when I'm doing my eyeshadow. And now I'm using a Blue Haven black kajal on my waterline. Yes, and then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel as a base for my eyeshadow. You can see I'm using Rimmel London Magnifiers in Crimson. I'm using the shade number 1 here, the red shade, all over my eyelid. You guys might want to pay attention to the picture earlier. I have 3 shades that I'm going to be using throughout this video for my eye look. 1, 2, and 3. The number 1 shade is what I'm using right now all over my lid. I'm also brushing out my baking, but I'm adding more white powder to avoid fallouts. And just grab any debit card or credit card and I'm using the darker shade, the darkest brown just now, the number 2, to add it onto my outer corner of my eyes. And I'm just I don't know guys, just dragging it down under my lower eyelid. You can just brush out whatever baking which I have under my eyes together with the fallouts of the eyeshadow, because we don't need that now. So now I'm using this cheap ass cosmetic art Our Lily brow pencil in the code number 3 black brown. This is just 85 cents guys. I got it from Shopee and it works amazing. I love this brow pencil. And just simply I'm using a brush to just blend my eyebrows. Yeah, see, 85 cents. I'm going it back again with the same palette. Like I said, I'm using the shade number 3, the shimmery gold one, for my brow bones. And then now I'm using Focallure waterproof eyeliner, the black eyeliner. I love this. It's really waterproof. I use this to go swimming as well, and it doesn't come off. But however, it comes off if I'm sweating heavily. Yeah, it's weird. And also I'm not really good with eyeliner, but I'm trying my best to pull it off since I'm going to be wearing falsies later on anyway, so it doesn't matter. I think I don't know, but I think once I'm done with this, you can see me going in with a eyelash comb to just separate the eyeliner that's dried off onto my lashes. And I'm using a curler to just curl my lashes. That's when I forgot that I didn't add any shimmer onto my eyeshadow look. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife. Thank you Sophie for gifting me this. Look, now it looks great. So these mink eyelashes are from Shopee. It's only 3 ringgit 50 cents guys. I could find back the link that I bought from. I'll just link it down in the description box. But if I couldn't find it back, I'm sorry guys. This video is making me look like I'm some sort of pro at wearing eyelash, but actually I'm not. We're going to be using the shade number 3, the shimmery gold, for my inner corner really quickly. And then we are going to go with a Cathy Doll's 3D Face Forward Nefertiti Contour Kit in the shade Sphinx Seduction, the brown shade, to contour my nose, my cheeks, my forehead, and also, as you can see real soon, my non-existing jawline. It's also to warm up my face guys. And using the same crimson palette, I'm going to use these 3 colors, the shade number 1 and also the 2 colors beside it. Mix it and I'm going to use it as a blush for my face because it looks nice on my skin. And then I'm just going to quickly comb my lashes, and I'm going to use this Hang Fang Skinny Microcara for my bottom lashes. Okay, I think that looks good. So now you see me using this brandless lip liner, which I think I've had for like, I don't know guys, a million years I think. I think it's a fake MAC, but it doesn't say anything on the pencil itself. It works fine. I haven't gotten any negative reaction from it, so that's a good thing. And then I'm going in with this Chriszen Love Matte Liquid Lipstick in the code 05 called Romance Love. This is a lovely shade. I love this, and it's just so nice. Here I'm just going to be wearing a blue color bindi to just match my dress for later. Yeah. And going in with the same Catrice Cosmetic Prime and Fine Matte Fixing Spray to set my face. Finally, using the gold shade earlier, the number 3 shade from the Crimson palette, I'm using it as a highlighter for the day because it's not too blinding, it's just nice. If I want it to be too blinding, I would just use the Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt Trophy Wife highlighter. So this is the look guys for my face. And now for my hair, I'm just going to quickly brush my hair and just put a roller up my bangs real quick. Yes, and then I'm gonna go in with the Bioma Silk Protein all over my hair just for the nutrient, and also because I'm gonna be using this heat from Panasonic EHKE16 hair styler. This is really easy to use. If you guys have watched my previous hair video, I also mentioned the same thing. I use this all the time because I'm not really good with hair dryer, and this is really easy to use. You just comb, and then you're done. Your hair looks like, see, I told you. You see the difference? Your hair looks like you just came out of a salon. I really love this product, guys. It's like the best investment I have made. It's just below 100 ringgit. Yeah, Panasonic EHKE16 if you guys want to look it up online, or just go get it from Harvey Norman. So I think I'm pretty much done, guys. What do you think? So yeah, guys, that's how this look was created. I don't know how this looks on camera right now. I lost the sun is gone. I'm just gonna end my video here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my video. Please drop a like, drop a comment below. A very positive comment would be really appreciated. Oh, and also please give me more suggestions on what you guys want to see me doing. I'm open for any ideas, any challenges that you want me to do, either with myself or with my friends, or I don't know, with my mom. My mom doesn't want to be in any of my videos. She already told me, but I might try to do something with her soon, so I don't know. So yeah, just drop a comment, give me suggestions, a request, anything, just drop it down below. I think that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go now, quickly paint my nails, call a grab, and just head on to the wedding. Hope you guys have a great day no matter what time you're watching this. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video. Bye, guys.